Halloween is upon us. We have our treats for the little trick-or-treaters. And we also are going to make some scary Halloween punch. We got some dry ice. We got a whole bunch of stuff to make a scary punch. And we are going to scare the lights out of Eric this Halloween. So join us as we make some foggy, smoky Halloween punch. So we're getting ready to celebrate the scariest night of the year. We went to our local club store, and the kids in our neighborhood love it when we give them these full-size Rice Krispie treats. We also give them a little bit of candy to go along with that. So I wanted to make a scary punch to really bring this day home, and maybe we can get a little ee out of Eric, right? So we were at the store the other day, and we got us some dry ice. And we are going to use this makeshift punch bowl, and we are going to make, it's going to fog, it's going to be absolutely fantastic. So let me go get the ingredients, and let me get the dry ice, and let's get cracking. Hi, hello Halloween fans. I have a makeshift punch bowl here. I have a regular punch bowl, but it's not big enough. Hand me that, Eric.
Boo's Moving Service at your
This is my punch bowl, which needs to be detarnished. So I'm gonna have probably have a video on that. But with dry ice, you need to have a punch bowl and a bowl on the inside, and this one is not nearly big enough. So we're going to be using my makeshift punch bowl. So what I've done is I've pretty much taken this salad bowl. This is just a stainless steel salad bowl. And I want something to give it some height because I want that fog to go over it. Plus I like things that are footed. So I got this 3-bowl set from Sam's Club. This is great for big salads. It's great. It's going to be great for Thanksgiving to make a big bunch of stuffing in it. But it has 3 bowls. So I'm using this big bowl as the place where the dry ice is going to be. It also comes with these 2 bowls. I'm actually going to use this smaller bowl because I don't need as much punch because it's just me and Eric and a couple other people. And so what you do not want to put your dry ice into the punch because the problem is the dry ice is 109 degrees, negative 109 degrees. So if you ingest any of it, it's going to burn you all the way down through your whole system. You don't want to touch it. You don't want it in your eyes, and you don't want it anywhere near the food or the drink. So you want to put the dry ice down here, and we're going to be using tongs, and we're going to be making our punch in here. So this is just a very basic punch. I have some fruit punch, and I think I'm going to do about 2/3 of that. This is a scary Halloween color, right? Woo! There's no exact science to this. That's not really needed. Woo! I got that everywhere. And I have some regular lemon lime soda. This is going to give us, a fizziness to our punch. Ooh. I'm getting punch everywhere here.
It's a good thing you got a big bowl.
So you can melt some sherbet in here because I'm allergic to sherbet. I'm allergic to milk. I'm going to go ahead. I have some frozen concentrated orange juice, and I'm just going to go ahead. I want to give it that little bit of taste because I can't have sherbet, but it's going to give it a little bit of tang. So I'm going to put like half the can in here.
Plus, that helps to chill it without diluting it.
Yeah, it's going to chill it without diluting it. So I'm going to stir this until it is dissolved. Okay, Halloween lovers, we have our punch is thoroughly dissolved here with the orange. I'm just going to take a quick taste. Okay, rules of the game. You do not want this ice touching you in any way, shape, or form. It is very, very cold and it will burn. So we have our Rose Fray gloves on here. We did a video about this. I'll put a link down in the description. This is a big block of dry ice right here. I have it in this bowl. It's basically kind of steaming already.
It will show up as negative 38 degrees with a zapper.
It looks just like ice. But we got to chisel some pieces off of here. So I'm going to use some tongs that are metal. We're going to be putting small chunks in here. Eric's got some glasses on so it doesn't hit him in the face. So he needs to do a little chiseling. Ah! Be careful, Boo. It's going to get on your arms.
This guy has no effect. So let's go to the bigger guy.
Move it over here. Move it over here. Ah!
I think we're going to do the old-fashioned method. 8-pound sledgehammer.
Woo! It's already smoking. So we're going to have to take this outside to chunk it up. So we'll be right back.
Now this is a 5-pound axe. It's called Total Control. Let's see if it lies.
Yeah, it's going to hit me.
You ready?
Ah!
Do you want an inch or 2 inches, madame?
Just small chunks. Ah! It has to fit in between those things.
We will. You can see the sublimation just sitting out here.
That is craziness.
We don't even have boiling water. All right, think we do some work with that, Boo Boo?
I guess. Okay. Pack it up. Yeah!
The best part is you don't have to worry about cleanup because it'll just melt.
Okay, party goers, we have our dry ice here. It's all mashed up into pieces. So you're going to put your dry ice. Be careful. You do not want this touching you. We're going to put it in between these two bowls. You do not want any of that. Woo! You don't want to get it into the punch. Wow, it might make some weird noises. That frightens not only the children, but the adults too. Ah! Let me move it this way so I can get a bunch in here.
Are you done?
Look at all that frost underneath the bowl. This is the bowl that the dry ice is in. And it's just frosting up that bowl. So I would use metal, I wouldn't use glass, because we're going to be putting hot water in here and you could crack the glass. So metal is a better option. So I have my Kasori kettle here with some boiling water in, and we're gonna be putting the water in between here. You wanna put a hot water, that's what's gonna make the steam, and let's go for it. You ready, Boo?
Sure.
Whoa. Whoa. That is awesome. Woohoo! Wow. Look at that. Woo! Wow. Whoa, look at that! Woo!
It's missing.
Woo! Woo! Whoa! Ooh! Give me a cup, Boo. So let's serve up. I have my pumpkin cup here, and we're just gonna take a scoop of the punch. Sweet. We're gonna scoop us up a little serving. Ah. Mmm. The orange juice really adds a lot to it. You want some, Boo?
Sure.
The orange juice sort of gives it a tang in there. Really, really nice. Woo! Look at that. Want to see that again, Boo?
Sure. Ooh.
Ooh. Okay, come take a drink. Wow, that's everywhere.
Where's my Boo? I can't see you. Where?
Cheers, Boo. Happy Halloween. That's fantastic.
Yum yum.
Woo, so we have a bubbling brew here. Wow. Happy Halloween, you guys. If you like this video, please subscribe below, leave me a comment and a like, and visit my website at amylearnstocook.com. You can also catch me on social media at Pinterest and Twitter at Amy Learns to Cook. On Facebook, come on, join my Facebook group, facebook.com/groups/Amy Learns to Cook. On Instagram, I'm at Cooking with Amy. And don't forget, subscribe below and hit that little bell so you'll get notification of our uploads. Happy Halloween, everybody. I hope you have a great one. Oh! I'm a bear, though. Roar! Woo! That's sweet. That's awesome. Woo! Happy Halloween.
Water is boiling at 34 degrees. You can see that. The ice is giving me false readings here. There we are, negative 22 degrees on one reading. This stuff reflects badly, so it's kind of hard. The water is right about freezing. It's 33 degrees, but yet you can see it's boiling. How do you get stuff boiling at freezing point of water? That's because the ice is so cold. Negative 100, and it's keep going, Amy.
That's a thermopan right there. Those are awesome.
Maxed out at negative 112.
Wow.
Okay, so we're about 139 degrees on the water. You saw the ice was negative 112. You do the math.
Kaboom.
That's about 260 degrees difference.
This is going to be a bad idea.